Many people think developers use AI only to write code. But that is not true. In real life, developers use generative AI for much more than just coding. They use it to understand old code, write tests, create documentation, and save hours of time every week. In this video, we will look at how developers actually use GenAI in daily work. Not shortcuts. Not cheating. Real workflows. Software development is not only about writing new code. Most of the time, developers are reading existing code, debugging issues, understanding legacy systems, writing tests, and maintaining documentation. GenAI helps reduce mental load, not responsibility. It helps developers think faster and focus on logic instead of repetitive work. Let us start with writing code. Yes, developers do use GenAI to write code, but not blindly. They do not ask AI to write full projects. Instead, they use it to generate boilerplate code, suggest functions, and explore different approaches. A common use is asking AI to act as a senior developer and write a clean, simple function for a specific task. The developer then reviews the code, modifies it if needed, and integrates it properly. AI saves typing time, but the developer controls the logic. Now let us talk about explaining legacy code. This is one of the most powerful uses of GenAI. Many developers join projects where the code was written years ago, original developers are no longer available, and documentation is missing. Understanding such code can take days. Developers use AI to paste a code snippet and ask for a step-by-step explanation in simple language. AI helps explain the logic flow, the purpose of functions, and possible edge cases. However, developers never trust these explanations blindly. They still read the code themselves, verify behavior, and test assumptions. AI acts as a guide, not an authority. Now let us move to writing tests. Writing tests is important but often feels repetitive and time-consuming. Because of this, many developers delay or avoid writing tests. GenAI helps here by suggesting unit test cases and edge cases for specific functions. Developers ask AI to generate test scenarios, then review and adjust them before running the tests. This improves code quality without adding mental fatigue. Documentation is another area where GenAI is extremely useful. Documentation is often ignored, but poor documentation leads to confusion, slow onboarding, and maintenance issues. Developers use AI to generate clear documentation for functions, APIs, and modules. AI helps explain inputs, outputs, and examples. This saves time and improves communication within teams. It is also important to understand what developers do not use GenAI for. Professional developers do not blindly copy code, skip understanding, trust outputs fully, or let AI make decisions for them. AI assists. Developers remain responsible. If you are a student or beginner developer, GenAI can be very helpful if used correctly. You can use it to explain errors, understand code, and explore different approaches. But you should not use it to skip learning, submit copied assignments, or avoid thinking. Skills matter more than speed. Let us summarize everything clearly. Developers use GenAI daily for writing code faster, understanding legacy code, generating test cases, and writing documentation. They use AI as an assistant, a reviewer, and a productivity booster, not as a replacement. In the next video, we will move deeper into real project workflows and see how GenAI fits into actual job roles. This is where learning turns into career skills.